Hi, most of you would have used filter in Excel, but very few of you would have applied the technique of advanced filter. Yes, in today's video, we are going to learn something on advanced filter. So, hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav, and let's learn something on advanced filter in Excel sheet. Now, before starting the video, let me give you a brief background on our Excel sheet. In this sheet, we are having the name of the branch, insurance done by them, their respective zones, and the remarks achieved on certain parameters. Now, my task is that I want to filter those branches which have achieved good remarks and belong only to Jharkhand region. Now, had you been not knowing about the technique of advanced filter option, then what you would have been doing? You would have been going to filter option, you would have been very smartly going to remark section and have been selecting good, and then again going to zone option and then selecting Jharkhand. Having done this, you would have been selecting this entire sheet and then copying and pasting it as per your desired sheet. Now, suppose this data is in thousands or in lakhs. Just imagine how much of time would it consume of yours. Now, here comes the technique of advanced filter. So, let us learn the concept of advanced filter. So, what we are going to do is we are simply going to select the headings, copying it and then pasting it just beside this. You can also do this in some other sheet. Now, to make you understand, side by side I have just copied and pasted it in the same sheet. Now, having done this, my requirement is I want the name of the branches which have done good, which have achieved good remarks and belong to Jharkhand region. So what I am going to do is I'll simply write here in under my zone section as equals to, and then I will start with a double quote. Please note that for advanced filter option you need to start with equals to and then you need to put a double quote. Now, having done that, I will simply write the name of the zone, which is Jharkhand. Now I'll go to remarks and I will write here option of equals to double inverted commas open, and then I'll write as good and then I'll press enter. Now I'll go to data. I will go to advanced option over here. It will ask you for the list range. Here the list it has automatically selected for me. I'll go to criteria range and I'll select my criteria from here. Now I want this location to be copied in the same sheet. So I will select this copy to another location and I want my location to be copied under J column. So I'll select my cell in this J column and in this 6th row. So I'll press OK, and now you can see here it has given me the data, zone wise data for the branches which have achieved good remarks. So only one branch was there, which is Ranchi branch. Now this is one example. I'll give you one more example to make your concept clear. First and foremost, I'll delete this for you. Now my requirement is I do not want zone wise data, so I'll simply delete this, and I will also delete the column of remarks. Now my requirement is I want the remarks, under remark section I want the branches which have done average performance. So I'll put equals to, I'll put double quote and I will write here average, and then I'll press an enter button. Now I want the list of those branches which have done the insurance business less than 70 lakhs, less than 60 lakhs, but are categorized under average remarks. So I'll put equals to sign, I'll put a double quote over here, I'll write here less than 60. I'll close with double inverted commas and I'll press enter. Now having done that, I will again go to data. I will go to advanced option. The list has automatically selected criteria range. Also it has selected for me, and then I'll go to copy to another location. I will deselect this and I want my data to be pasted in the J column. So I'll select on the J column and I'll press OK. So see, it has given me the data for those branches which has achieved insurance less than 60 lakhs but are categorized under average remarks. So I hope this video was useful to you, and this video please share to the maximum people, because if the data is in thousands or in lakhs, then this concept of advanced filter is going to save a lot of time of yours. So I request, if you like the video, please press the bell icon and share the video to the maximum people. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.